All right, pretty close to our 54.75 T2. Got a couple completion targets in there. Anybody that is buying against the 3-day trend, use a tight stop. This is the first time we've had a really nice rotation. May take some time to get traction, several rotations. We said earlier we are in the umbrella trade, correct? That was the most important chart we said when we started. We say we are in the umbrella trade. Once you identify the type of trade and your bias to hit bounces, as long as you're staying underneath that green line, you're okay. The first time it pops above that, you're looking for the red line usually. And once we have some time elapse and we go sideways, then it's obviously possible to go through both of those and get back to the blue line. And obviously above that, the pink line. So the most important characteristic of an umbrella trade is you ride it and then take your stop out, because once it ends, you can get a pretty good snap. So this logical target that we had talked about today of trying to get through 58.5, and if we got lucky, 55 would be the next support zone. It's based on confluence. So I'm going to say for now 52 to 55 as our next important support zone. Anything below 55, good fortune. And not looking for fundamental reasons, just looking for obviously the technical things that we look for in a chart. As a buyer, is there an angel yet? Would be a question I would ask. I would have to say no, I don't see one. Every angel attempt today has been beat. That does not mean that we can't get a snap from a black bar, but there is no angel currently. Yesterday's 30 Globex has turned the corner. That support line is resistance. So this is confirming the umbrella trade as well as we start to head under that pink line. Number of completion targets back in here at that 54.5 area. So risk and reward may start to come in. Doesn't mean just close your eyes and buy. And I like the way this chart set up today with the RTH 5-minute chart. Both very helpful charts. Bingo. Target 2 right there. Stops down. Beautiful trade. Stops down. We talked about that potential. Come in and hit the 55 to 52 range. Anybody that wants to hold on for trailers for a biggie, I suggest coming into 52 right in here. Normally this is going to be a nice target. Make sure you're paid right in the 52s. First good day we've had in quite a while. Anybody who is short side, paid for short by 52. Don't even think twice about it. Go back and think about what we talked about this morning, that first chart we said, right? First chart we said, let's think about 50 support, 80 resistance, 65 middle, right? Do you remember that conversation? I hope you do. So you're within a couple of points of that target. Don't even think twice. We said we know there will be milestones in between. So this guy right here will probably be the next key support idea. And then below that, obviously, you got to come all the way back another 10 points to this 42. Just trying to tie in a few charts, a few ideas together. Now, if you leave a few chips on the table, I get it. This is a really nice bear flag, boom, and back down. And we're still relatively neutral. We've made the new high. We've rejected it. Here we are. Anybody that's buying, use your 50 to 52 range as support. If the trade doesn't work, drop it. Drop it fast. You don't have to buy just because you had a great trade short side. Umbrella trade is a thing of beauty. And it will put money in your pocket, especially in a bear market, which we have not seen in quite a while. If you have profits from the short side, it makes it easier to think about buying. Up to you. I really like this target.